Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use iMessage on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open the messaging app on your iPhone and you'll be able to see various chats. So you're going to click on any specific chat you want. For example, I have clicked on this one. And you can simply type in any message you want, but you'll be able to see it's written text message SMS. That means you have not enabled iMessages yet. So one thing that you need to know about iMessages is that you can only send message from iPhone to iPhone. If someone is using Android or any other operating system, you'll not be able to send an iMessage to them. So in order to send message to someone on iMessage who's using iPhone, you're going to first enable iMessages on your settings. So let's head over to settings. So you're going to click on the settings application and scroll all the way to the bottom, click on apps, and here you're going to go to the M section and click on messages. Here you're going to scroll down and enable this button that says iMessage. Once done, you can simply go back to your iMessages and simply open any chat. And now you'll be able to see it's written iMessage. You can simply type in anything you want and press send. And now you can see that the message is blue. But if the message is green, then that means that the message has not been sent through iMessage, but in fact through text message. And well, that is basically how you can use iMessage on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.